Tip number 1, pick one social media platform and master it. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, with so many social media platforms to choose from, it can get very overwhelming. So pick one and become really good at it. Where are you already spending time? For example, if you're active on Instagram, you might want to switch your personal profile to a business one or open a new account that you will dedicate to your business. And then become strategic. Learn everything there is to know about advertising, Instagram stories, how to plan your feed, how to schedule your post, maybe improve your photography. Do some research. What are the leaders in your industry doing? What are the hashtags that are relevant to your business? You want to go all in and become an expert at it. Now, if you're new to social media, you might want to ask your clients which platform they are using, or look at businesses that are similar to yours and see what they're doing. Now remember, Facebook owns Instagram, and with over 2 billion monthly active users, we recommend that you build a Facebook business page and that you open an Instagram account and secure your username. So that's it. To become a ninja at this, please sign up for a master series, and for your next tip, scroll down below.